Yep. Tessie, what are you doing?
Me and Tessie.
Good job, buddy. Tessie, what are you doing? Tessie. Yeah, I see it. You're doing a very good job. What are you hauling on your trailer? Some round bales? Some round bales?
Nothing. It's this almonds together.
Oh. How about some wild raccoons?
Huh?
Are you hauling some wild raccoons? You could. You could take them to the vet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want the last one?
Last night?
I could.
Where did we eat tonight, buddy?
I saw a potato.
The China buffet, yes. Daddy's favorite place. What was your favorite thing to eat there? Jello. You do love your Jello.
Huh?
Poor Tessie, she had pureed peas and banana. She just had baby food. Tessie just had baby food. Hey, baby girl. Oh, watch out, buddy. Tessie's going to be in the way, okay? Slow down. Reed? Hey. Be careful. Okay. She doesn't know. She doesn't know much about bikes, honey. Watch out. She's right behind you. Reed. She has to learn, honey. Did you just honk her butt? Tessie. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks.
My candy table.
Why don't you go right in by Daddy?
Huh?
Go right in by Daddy.